All right. So you know how like almost every business that uses project management software runs into this thing
Yeah.
where they need just like a really clear view of all their project financials?
Right. All in one place.
But it's got to be tailored like with specific data points that
Exactly.
matter to their operations. Stuff
Yeah.
that's not always just like right there in the standard reports.
Yeah. You don't want to be jumping between screens all day.
No. And then you get into like these complex customizations just to see what you need.
And that can get messy fast.
Oh, yeah, for sure. So today we're going to dive into how we tackled this exact problem.
Sounds good.
We've got Swetha with us.
Yes, Swetha is a functional consultant
Yeah, she's got like 15 years of ERP experience under her belt.
at Tiana Solutions. That's right.
Yep. And she's built over 100 custom generic inquiries in Acumatica.
Wow.
I know, right? So she really knows how to make Acumatica sing.
You've seen it all.
Let's jump into a scenario.
Uh,
This is a pretty typical one we see. Clients using the standard project transaction screen in Acumatica,
Makes sense.
which, it's got a lot of good info, but they needed to see two more things.
Like what?
The account group and the account ID right there with all the other transaction details.
I see.
But, you can't just like go in and change those pre-built screens in Acumatica.
Oh, you'd need some serious customization.
Yeah, it'd be a whole thing.
Could get expensive too.
Definitely.
So what did they do?
So instead of messing with that,
Yeah.
Swetha and the team at Tiana built a brand new generic inquiry.
A GI
Exactly. It's like a custom query that pulls all the specific info you need.
from all over Acumatica.
Yep. And presents it nice and neat.
Love it.
So in this case, it was all about replicating that project transaction screen.
Okay.
But with those extra columns for account group and ID,
Smart.
now here's where it gets kind of technical.
Oh, you hit me.
To make this work, this GI had to talk to a bunch of different data structures in Acumatica.
Like what?
These things called data access classes. Yep. Each DTAX is like a table in a database with specific pieces of information.
Right.
Swetha had to like carefully pick and choose and connect the right days
To get all the details.
to pull it all together.
I see.
And of course, the client needed to filter and sort the data,
Of course.
just like on the regular screen.
Right.
So they added parameters to the GI.
So they could control what they saw.
Exactly. Date ranges, specific projects, all that.
Nice.
But the real magic happened in the result grid.
Which is what again?
It's the table of data that the user sees.
Right.
That's where those extra columns for account group and ID went.
So now they have everything in one place.
Boom, one single view.
That's got to save so much time.
Oh yeah, no more jumping between screens.
No more manual reports.
This is like the real power of custom GIs.
You can make Acumatica do exactly what you need it to.
For your specific business.
No more settling for almost what you need.
If you're listening and you're hitting similar roadblocks in Acumatica,
Especially with reporting.
give Tiana Solutions a shout.
We eat this stuff up.
We'll help you get the insights you need to make your business hum.
It's all about getting the right data in the right format.
So think about it. What data could you unlock?
What's just out of reach right now?
That could totally change your business.
That could give you an edge.
If you had that perfect view of it all.
It's worth considering.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive.
It's been fun.
See you next time.
Bye.